back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, in the previous round of Kung Fu Maintenance, I showed you replacing the deal here. This one's actually missing the clasp, so it won't catch. I have a kit that comes with both of them, and they're not too expensive. You can just change out both of them, but so a lot of times you can just replace the missing part. These are adjustable and you can slide the deal closer or further away depending on what's needed. And the clip is an easy deal, so it comes with the clip. There's that, and then here's the new one. I'll probably reuse the old screw since I know that it's the correct size to go in there, unless it's completely worn out. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the screws that came with this one, so I'll need to reuse the old one to match the thread size. There we go. Let's get it started. And in theory, everything will just line up nice and easy, as nothing much has changed except for we've added our clasps to replace the missing one. It doesn't grab so well. It doesn't hold, so maybe we will change that out. No big deal. I'll change out the clasps as well. And again, I'll probably reuse these old screws as they're a bigger profile than the new ones. And I guess I could have tried squeezing the deal a little closer, but it's okay. We'll change it out, everything will be new, and it'll be done deal. Also doesn't clasp. That's because the door is hitting a little on the bottom. Adjust that up. The other thing you can do sometimes is move these forward a little bit more. If that's what's needed to get a good hold. There we go. Done deal. And sometimes if you need it to hold a little stronger, you can squeeze these together a little more. There we go. All set there. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.